Hi guys, welcome back to Fast Brains. Today I will be sharing the PowerPoint I made for all of you guys. So it's called the Endangered Hyacinth Macaw. The scientific name is Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus by Mubashir Han. Home sweet home. The hyacinth macaw lives in the Pantanal region of Brazil into northwest Paraguay. Habitat loss is one of the reasons why the hyacinth macaw is endangered. Help me. We can save the hyacinth macaws by not cutting trees. Also, we should stop making them pets. MOLE, my level of endangerment. The level of endangerment for the hyacinth macaw is vulnerable. When animals are vulnerable, it means they're close to being endangered. How am I endangered? Hyacinth macaws are endangered because of pet trade. They're also endangered because of habitat loss. Credits: www.bahira.com, www.joelsartor.com, www.sprucepets.com, www.definitions.net, PowerPoint Online, and Screencast. About the maker. Mubashir Han is the founder of FastBrains. He only made 2 FastBrains PowerPoints, all about bobcats and the endangered hyacinth macaw, which you are currently watching, a FastBrains production. And also I need to tell you, as this is a third-person PowerPoint. Okay, so bye.